Hello guys, in this video we're gonna build a URL softener in Python. So the project will look something like this. So let's just enter a URL. So in this case I want to short this URL. So for the title just let it mg. So this is the short URL that we get for this full URL. So let's see how to build this Python script from scratch. So for this tutorial I am using the Cutlass API. So just head over to Cutlass website and click on login. So if you don't have an account, just sign up and create an account. So I'm logging my account here. So wait for a few seconds. So I'm entering my email and password. So after you log into the website, the dashboard will look something like this. So in the left hand section, just click scroll, and in the bottom you can see something like API. So just scroll down a bit. As you can see, just click on API and click on API key. So just click on manage API. So after you click on the manage API, just click on create new API. So click OK. So it will generate the API key for you. So successfully changed. So this is our API key. So let's copy it and let's paste it into our Python script. So I'm going to create a new file. So for the file I'm naming it URL short.py. So API key is equal to, just paste the URL that we have copied. So we also need the base URL. So for the base URL, just head over to the API documentation. So click scroll and head over to API documentation and click on API documentation. So copy this link here and paste it here. So for this tutorial we need one Python package. So to install the package, just head over to command prompt and type pip install request. So after you download this package, just import it into our Python script. So import request. So I'm going to create a function now, that is a short URL. So this function will take two parameters, that is a full link and another one is the title for the URL. So let's give title. So I'm going to create payroll now. So payroll will take a dictionary. The key will be key. So the value will be the API key. And next is short. So for the short, just pass it the full link that you want to short. And for the name, I'm going to pass the title here. So now we have the payroll. So let's request to the actual URL here, that is this base URL. So request dot get base URL. I'm going to pass with the params is equal to payroll. So after you get the request, we can get the data from like request dot json. So let's print the data and see what happens. Okay, so let's call the short URL method with the link that I want to short is my own website, that is this. So for the title, let's leave it empty and let's see what happens when I run the code. So for this full URL, I get the short link here, that is this. So let's extract that only. So it is inside the URL. We're going to extract this key value here, this key. and let's see what happens if they run it again. So let's comment it out. So this is the short URL that I get for this full URL. So